Hi friends, so let's begin how to make these beautiful cactus. So I'm just will be making a petals of we'll draw a petal and we'll cut it. We'll take a sheet of 4 by 4 or any square sheet. We'll be folding in half and then again half. Like this we'll be keeping our petal and drawing it with my pencil. Like this I'll be drawing. We'll be tracing my petal design. And later on we'll be cutting it. So I'm just taking my second one and I'll be again cutting it. In all together we need 10 petals to make this cactus. So now I'll be taking out all the petals individually, like I showed you in beginning of the video. So we'll taking out all the petals, and then after that we'll be counting and we'll be taking 10 petals. So I think it's being done. So yeah, the 10 petals will be counting it, and rest will be keeping aside it. Maybe we can use it later for any other purpose. So altogether 10 are there. Now we'll be folding it, but before folding we'll be folding it in a half crease like this. All 10 petals will be folding like this. But before folding we just need to color it. So here I'm taking my this craft ink pad, and I'll be taking a piece of foam, and I'll dab little bit in my foam and will color the tips of my petals. So I'll be doing it on all the 10 petals. I'll be dabbing and again again applying the color on my petal top. So let me do and let me come back. So now my all the petals are done. I'll be pasting one on the top of other. So here I'm using my fabric glue. You can even take a Fevicol also. So like this I am applying glue and I'll be putting my other petal. You have to take care जो आपका the colored side should be inside. It shouldn't be outside. So you have to fold it in that way that colored thing should be coming inside. So like this I will be pasting all my 10 petals one on the top of each other. So let me do and let me come back. So now it's almost done. I have pasted all the petals together. So see, it's form a cactus shape. So either you can leave it like this or you can trim it with a scissor also. For the flower, I'll be taking this red color pastel sheet or red color chart paper. I'm here taking this punch for the flowers. So I'm just taking out the punch for the flowers. And to give it a little petal flower shape, I'll be pasting it here on the top. But just to give the little flower shape, I'll be taking any pointed thing and I'll be pressing it in the center, so it's take the proper shape of a flower. Else I can just take a sponge piece and I can just press it down. So I have to just make a small uh, not exactly hole, something depression in the center, so it's from it's proper petal flower shape. So see, either you can take it like this or you can just cut it. You have to give a small cut with the scissor from down to top. So you can begin like this. You start cutting your leaves with this scissor like this. I'm doing it. So again, it's an optional thing whether you want to keep your cactus with a cutting thing or the plain one. In the cutting thing, you don't require to color it at the top. Mainly, you can color it also. Again, it's an optional thing. You can color it or you don't color it. But mainly in the cutting, the color is not required. To give a proper cactus shape, I'm rubbing with my scissor like this. And so now I'll be showing you, we'll be pasting our flower on the top. So it's done now. So it's almost done now. So for the base, you can just take a triangle piece of a green pastel sheet and I'm cutting it and I'll be making a stick of it. I'm gluing my gun, pasting my glue on it, and I'll be pasting it further. So either you can make stick like this or you can even use your you can wrap this paper around your toothpick. Just because of the lockdown time and quarantine thing, not getting many things. So I'm just giving you the tutorials, whatever, things I have it at my place. So this is how you can roll it on your toothpick and you can just insert it. Because if you see, जो आपने the cactus which you have made it, उसमें नीचे में एक hole है, you can easily insert this toothpick inside it. So it will be convenient for you to place it in the small bottle or any small holder wherever. To keep it straight, I am just putting my tissue paper inside it, so at least it gives support to at the base. So like this, so your cactus is ready. Either you can place this kind of wire also in the cactus, so it's become little convenient. So here I am giving a little more denser shape to it, so I'm putting one more cactus on top of it. So like this, see how beautifully it's being done. So your mini cactus spot is ready now. It's almost done. See how beautifully it is looking. Even you can add more layers to it like this.